Here at Petco. We're going to walk her through these electric doors. That usually causes a little fear for dogs on the first time, so we're going to work her through that, work her through the people in here, the birds chirping, you know, the other dogs, if there's any dogs in here, employees coming up to them. That's what really builds a dog out of natural fears and gets their confidence up. And that's where we're at with Judah, just pulling up her CDC training.